welcome back. This is RandoGEEK. All right, guys, so I have some exciting news for you, especially if you hate passwords. If you have a Google account, Gmail account, Chrome account, other Android devices, and you're sick of using passwords to get in, every time you set something up, you set up your phone, the Play Store, whatever it is, you always got to put your password. It's inconvenient, it's annoying, it's time consuming, and it's time to go. And Google agrees with that statement. And basically what they're doing is they have launched Passkeys. This is going to allow you to either enter in a PIN or biometric solution for you to bypass the password situation and just get in and get what you need to do and be done with it. Not waste your time, setting up a Gmail account, having to come up with this super hard password. Those days are gone. So I do want to let you know that you'll still be able to use passwords for now. Ultimately, Google's goal is to get rid of it entirely, but they are not going to do that right away since there's some support issues. Not everyone is on a smart device that will allow you to use biometrics or passkey, and they're also not familiar with it, so they want to give everybody some time to adjust. But ultimately, their goal is to eliminate it completely. But as of right now, they're giving you dual options. You'll be able to set up a passkey either using PIN or biometric authentication, or you can still create a password the old school way for some time until they eventually get rid of it. So here's what's happening. This is currently available right now. And they're saying that users can switch the passkeys and ditch their passwords and two-step verification codes entirely when signing in. Obviously, these are going to replace traditional passwords and other sign-in systems like 2FA or SMS verification. And you'll be doing that with a local PIN or biometric authentication. So this was first introduced in December last year. They're saying that Google Chrome browser had gained passkey support, but the problem with that is there's not many supported websites and services that really are compatible with it, which is why you don't really hear about it. It's not really advertised because there's not many websites that are going to allow you to put in a passkey to gain access. You would probably have to use like a password manager or something like that, and then you can do that. You can get in that way with just a password or whatever to make it quicker. So they're also saying that you can use any device, won't be a problem. There's going to be a feature when you try to sign in. It's going to say select using a passkey from another device, and then you'll get an option to create a one-time sign in. And they're saying that this won't transfer over the key to whatever device you're using if it's not yours. So there's not going to be any security issues. No one will be able to log in once you leave the device. So if you're at a friend's house, you're staying over, or temporarily, maybe at a public location where there's internet access, you can go ahead and still get into your accounts using the passkey, but it'll be a temporary one, which will deactivate when you're done. So no security issues there, nothing but convenience. And of course, I'll share the link with you in the description. But I like this. I think many of you will probably agree that you like this. Just for the convenience, especially if you have multiple, Gmail accounts or other Google accounts, multiple phones with different Google accounts attached to them. This could save you a lot of time. Also, just make everything easier because, obviously we can't remember every password we have. And it's also really irritating to have to come up with a strong enough password, to keep everything safe. So this is a good one, I think. Let me know in the comment section if you're excited about this. What else would you like to see added to this, in addition, security-wise? But other than that, that's it for this one, guys. Please, if you haven't done so already, like this video, subscribe, and if you could share this with somebody that that you think might like these type of podcasts and discussions, please do that as well. I greatly appreciate it. As always, thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you in the next one. Laters.